Welcome! Today, we're diving into the simple steps to send a message to a group on the Instagram app for PC featuring the latest update. Whether you're catching up with friends, coordinating with colleagues, or just sharing moments, messaging groups on Instagram's desktop app is now easier than ever. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the Microsoft Store or the official Instagram website. Once the app is up and running, you'll notice the interface looks quite similar to the mobile version, but optimized for a larger screen. Next, look to the left side menu where you'll find the Messenger icon. Click on it to open your direct messages. This is where all your conversations, both individual and group chats, are neatly organized. The new update has made this section more intuitive, so you can quickly find what you're looking for. Now, to send a message to a group, use the search bar at the top of the Messenger panel. Type the name of the group you want to message. If you're part of multiple groups, this search feature makes it easy to jump straight to the right one without scrolling endlessly. Once you've entered the group chat, you'll see the message input box at the bottom of the screen. Here, type your message just like you would on your phone. Whether it's a quick text, an emoji, or even a sticker, the desktop app supports all these features. Finally, hit the send button, and your message will be delivered instantly to everyone in the group. It's that simple. This update ensures that staying connected with groups on Instagram via your PC is smooth and hassle-free. So, to recap, open the Instagram app on your PC, click Messenger from the left menu, search for your group, enter the chat, write your message, and click Send. With these easy steps, you're all set to keep the conversation going right from your desktop. Thanks for watching, and enjoy messaging on Instagram's new PC app.